Good evening, friends. Today I want to discuss about the problem that we are facing in this time. Generally, I will discuss about the problems, corruption that we are facing, our nation is facing in this time. Generally, we have so many problems like problem of education, unemployment, and there are so many things which is increasing our nation. But corruption is also one of them, as our government has decided to send the money in the bank account directly to the farmers, to the laborers, and to another peoples. But somehow this corruption happened. I just want to explain how it happens in our nation. For example, uh, government has given some homes to some poor peoples, and at that time how it happens. For example, in my, just take example in my area, there are some people who are poor who are living, and government has decided to give them a home. And what happens, generally prime minister does not come here to just to do the investigation, this person eligible or not eligible. So the people's, the sarpanch, the gram pradhan will take the decisions according to that, and those people will be awarded money for home. So generally there is competition among the peoples. For example, if I want to take the benefits of this government scheme, it's I'm not only one person, there are so many people who are fighting for that. So generally, after getting chance, those peoples who are investigating all these things, they also demand some money. And people think that if I am getting so much money, for example 2 lakh or 3 lakh, what is what we are given in the home. So people, what people think that if I just give some money to this person, what's wrong? Because I'm getting so much money and I'm giving 10,000 20,000 as a bribery, so it's okay, this is just a culture, and make culture again great. So that is why people just give some money, and this is also a type of corruption that is happening here. And just to take there are so many ration shop, grain shop, government shop, their peoples also just do some corruption. For example, if I have not I have not gone there to take my grains, so it happens that they just sell that grains, that things in the market in highly cost price, so they can earn much more money. So these are some tricks, some way people are earning money. And this is not only one way. And for example, if you are going for in police area, you or there is also something which is also a type of corruption. For example, if you are criminals and you have just have done something wrong, and if you can give them money, then definitely if they get chance, they can leave you and you can come outside, just feel proud that you have done a great work. But this is not a great work, this is completely negative and nonsense work. So these are the things which is happening in our nation. So I think we should definitely make our mind pure, and we should be much more 100% honest. And it can be possible if you try to make the peoples honest. But the peoples who are ruling in the level of the village or in the level of district or state, actually they generally commit the mistakes. And people think that if they are doing mistakes and they are becoming rich, then what's the problem, why we should not become rich? Because everyone wants to get rich. And generally the people, actually everyone is doing hard work, but generally it happens some people are enjoying their life, they are happy, but they are generally people think that they are, have not done so much hard work and they are so much happy. What is the reason? Sometimes it happens that we get that they have done some corruption, all these things comes in the newspaper. So people think that it's okay if they can do and nothing happened to them, what's the problem? We should also start doing this type of work and just earn money and do corruption and enjoy our life. So these are something which is happening generally in our area, generally in our village, our nation, and we are facing problem because of this. And another thing is that people do not want to people are not people do not want to be so much hardworking. If you become hard work, if you do hard work, then you can earn money, then it is also happiness, it will give you happiness. But people think that if another people person is not doing hard work, earning the money with these shortcuts, then what's the problem? I should also adopt this two number work, and that's okay. And people just adopt these things. So there is a competition and comparison. People do competition, and when they fail, they think what's problem, just do this type of bribery works, just do corruption and little bit earn the money. So these are the things which making our nation lay down day by day, so which is not good things, as I know. Because we, our great leaders are doing hard work, so we have to go parallelly with them and follow them and do hard work and achieve our nations, and just reach out this nation great height, and which will be good for all of us, and we can make a good society, good futures, and good children will come, and definitely they can also learn this lesson from our great peoples, and which will be good for all of us, and we can definitely create good nation and make a good position among the nations. So these are my thoughts in this. So thank you so much.